In this video, we're gonna be doing a dental work, fixing teeth like that, and also whitening them. You will find that file in your resources if you want to follow along. So let's remove these layers, starting from scratch. Here we have our background layer. Let's convert that one into a smart object. Now we need to apply liquify filter to adjust teeth. So going to filter, liquify, zooming in, selecting warp tool and doing slight changes, maybe increasing brush size a bit. Increasing this one's height as well. Reducing brush size, maybe working on the teeth as well. If you're seeking perfect teeth, you can be doing that easily in your liquify filter. Now we can be applying that. Now pressing Command J to duplicate our layer, then creating a quick selection mask, selecting teeth, pressing Shift to add lower teeth as well. Now let's zoom in a bit. We're gonna be adding a vector mask, then adding an adjustment layer, hue saturation, linking that one to our duplicated layer, pressing Option or Alt key. Now we need to go to master, yellows. We're gonna be increasing yellows a bit, then selecting colorize and reducing saturation for teeth. And now instantly we have white teeth. We can be increasing lightness a bit for even whiter results, just a little bit. So if you increase that one, you're going for unreal results, so you need to be careful using that one. And also it's not really normal to have a very white teeth like that, so I'm gonna keep it at maybe +1 or 2. Now we need to be adjusting our mask a bit, as we created that one with quick selection. So let's collapse that, zooming in a bit, selecting our mask, selecting our brush, then we can be clicking Command or Control on our mask to select that, so we can imagine what we need to add or remove from our mask. So maybe that area might need to be fixed, and also these areas in here, and also maybe that part. So pressing Command or Control D to deselect our selection, and with white selected we're gonna be adding these areas in here to our mask, reducing brush size a bit, so we have more defined teeth. And now swapping colors, pressing X and removing the part from his lips. Then adding gum or gingiva, as dentists will be calling that one gingiva. So now we're working as a dentist. So maybe you should know also the scientific name for that or medical term. And those are called incisors and these canine, if you're interested. Anyway, let's go back to that gum. Since my wife is a dentist, I'm really curious about that. Now we can go even deeper like that to add even more gingiva. Then swapping colors to have a very sharp edge like that. We can be swapping between colors, and same as well in here. We're gonna be swapping colors, going deeper. Then we can be swapping colors to remove these extra areas, pressing X, going for these areas and that one as well. Now this is looking amazing, as you can see. We can also be adding few touches using spot healing brush tool. Maybe if you're going after these calcifications, but we need to be selecting our image first and creating a new layer to apply that on a new one. With sample all layers selected, we can be painting over that to remove those details or lines within teeth. And zooming out. Now this is looking amazing. We can be also editing saturation a bit, maybe increasing lightness a bit for extra white teeth. Maybe that should be an ad for close-up or something like that. Anyway, hope you enjoyed that one. Let's dive into our next video.